ACM Roofing and Repair. What did we do today on the weekend? Tore down a 6-foot fence, cut it in half. I'm salvaging that for my yard, as you can see. So it was a 6 or 8, I can't remember for sure. Let's go to the backyard where the fence used to be and see what it looks like. And there is the new fence, hung by yours truly, Alan, owner of ACM Roofing and Repair. That's right, folks. Jack of all trades. Really, what it boils down to with most construction projects is having the will, the strength to be able to do it and see it through. Peace.